find a way. We'll seek dust till the time of dawn. Found life, it's already gone. Feeling afraid. My feelings are clear as day. Already know what to say. She knows I'm feeding. He's barely breathing. You called me with a paragraph. Scared of all the things you said. Did you mean it? How you said you were leaving. But am I wrong for saying I feel alive? You had me so mesmerized about the feeling of you. Oh, the feeling so strong. I don't know where my head will lie. I don't know if we're gonna fly. Like the feeling of you.
46 right where we wanted. We got the new wheels of a month now, and I've been enjoying the car so much. It's safe to say it's finally time for some performance upgrades. But before we get to that performance upgrades, in today's video we're gonna have to sort out all the coolant pipes. I've sorted out most of them so far, and now it's just time to sort out the remaining few and get the car's cooling system up to date. After which we can get the manual fan, because the one I have right now is still a clutch fan, and I feel like the manual fan will give me so much more space in the engine room, because right now it's also sounding the clutch is starting to give in, and I want to sort that out ASAP. Yeah, so let's get to it.
She knows how to say my name. She does. But am I wrong for saying I
Go. Let's go. Listen. Hold on, water. Sheesh. And we got it, daddy.
Why are you gay?
This is just so bad, guys. Oh my word, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Yep. No coming back from that. So yes, guys, as you can see, this old pipe was rubbing, and this is actually my fault. I did replace it recently, but the problem was this was actually the wrong part. Though it looks quite similar to the proper one, which is this one. The difference between the two is that this one is slightly longer, and because the M57 is such a long and heavy engine, there's so much components going here, and the belt system is right next to the coolant pipes and the coolant bottle. So that caused, because this thing was so long, it was actually rubbing on one of the tensioners, if I'm not mistaken, which caused that hole right there. And I could have shortened it a bit more, but best you rather get the proper one. So now we got this one nicely greased up. We're gonna put it back on, and everything's, fingers crossed, should be good. Now that we're finally done installing that part, finally got a new project, guys, which I've had for some time. Sad it's been standing and I haven't touched it in so long, because I didn't know what to do with it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we got, and I hope you guys are excited as I am. I got plans for it, so we'll see you guys there.
be like.
Oh, thank James Zeal, Brew, and Migalo. On a Saturday. Thank you, Migalo. Oh. So guys, yes, this is the new build. W124 230E. It's gonna be sick, guys. A lot of work though, but let's go. W124 finally out in the sun. Sheesh! Thanks to Mr. Migzo. Days, guys. Are you ready to take it home? Car starts, guys. Only, well, it wants to start. Only issue, it just doesn't start. Huh?
Worst case, we fucking replace it. It's fine. It's 100%. It's even got brake lights working. Don't do it.
Oh yes, boys. Finally home. So yes, boys, this is the new project W124 230E. I'm not sure the year model and what all is wrong with it as yet, but we'll figure out in the next video. So yeah, boys, before I even had to bring it home, I had to clean out all the rat droppings and the dog droppings as well, surprisingly, in this car. I don't want to bring home any pets or any unwanted pets, let me put it that way. If you guys have any idea why this car doesn't hold in idle.
Ah, shit. Here we go again.
So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.